Python has a lot of tools already available that have been written by other people. So they're available to programmers to use. And they're configured in modules and packages. Packages is the word. There are differences between the two. I hear the term packages bandied about to describe what I'm going to talk about in this following video. And so we're going to learn about packages and how to use a lot of the tools that are in various packages. Okay, we're going to get the average of a few numbers still. And this is the third and final of the AVG programs. And so let's make a new folder, a new project, avg3. So I get the command prompt. I go to search bar, CMD, get the command prompt, cd OneDrive, cd desktop, cd Python code, make project space avg3. I go into File Manager, I find average3.py, I double click on it. I'm not going to use average2a.py, I'm just going to start from scratch with this one and write the following script. The first line is, it says, from statistics, import mean. Statistics is a package, right? And there's lots of statistical tools in there, and mean, the average, is one of them. I don't need the whole package. I don't need all the tools right now. I'm just taking the average, and so I only need one of them. And so this is how you can do that. You can say import statistics, or you can say from statistics import just what I want, right? And so that's what I'm doing. I'm just importing one function, if you will, from the statistics package. Okay. That's pretty, you mean mean's already written for us. Oh, okay. So that's really the power of Python. Almost everything is written for you. There are gazillions of packages available for users in Python. There's NumPy for all sorts of scientific calculations. I do that a lot. There's Matplotlib, which is kind of has a lot of MATLAB-y features, and you can do stuff. There's data visualization ones. There's neural network ones. There's data analytics ones. There's a sound editing one. There's one that's for sound and video, and right. So they're just packages for all sorts of conceivable functions that you want to undertake when writing a script for a variety of purposes. It's a big world out there. And that's really, when one learns Python, that's really what we're going to be learning lots of times, is which package is it in? What does it exactly do? How do I use it? That kind of stuff. That's really a lot of Python programming. There's more to the structure of Python programming and how to do things the right way and all that. But this is kind of the brand new world here of, wow, this is a powerful tool with lots and lots of built-in functions for us. Okay. All right, so I define A is equal to 3, 5, 8, just like before. Then I say average equals the mean of A. That's it. And then I print it out. I print out the average value. Wow, that is so easy. It's like one of the easiest ways to calculate the average I can think of, right? And we run it. So you go back into the command prompt. You do say Python. You save the script first. You say Python 3 space average3.py, and it gives us 5 1/3. No problem. Then I go back into the script and I add 4 and 9, and I didn't change anything else. It's still average equals mean of A, and then I go back to the command prompt and I do Python 3 space average3.py again, and it gives me 5.8, the average of those particular 5 numbers. So it works. They're all of them. There's a lot of the details of how big A is, the length of A, all that other stuff, looping through all the structures, completely invisible to the Python user. You give it a list, a vector of numbers, and it'll give the average value back. That's what mean does. Pretty powerful. And this is the beginning of understanding how to really use Python, how to work in those packages to get all the different types of functionality you want out of programming.